everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. Today's restock is going to be like every other restock. Every Friday at 6 p.m. Central is when we're going to be restocking. So we're going to go ahead and start off with Chanel number 2 here. This is my bestseller. She is a very thick and glossy slime that's scented like bubblish bubblegum, and it's just really nice. This one always sells out first, so I would definitely try to get this one and snatch it. There's plenty of it, but you know, they do sell out pretty fast. Next up, if you're a Riverdale fan, you are going to love this. This is Pop's Milkshake Trio. So we have the chocolate milkshake here. All three of these slimes are really nice textured cloud creams. They're very thick and creamy. So if you're in love with that texture, then these are going to be perfect for you. Also, I totally forgot to mention, these are not going to come with the charms that you see on there. I just wanted to give you all a visual representation of the, you know, flavors of the milkshakes, I guess. Here is Pop's Vanilla Milkshake. And of course, we have Pop's iconic strawberry milkshake to finish off this trio. This next one here is green jelly. I love this one so much. I haven't stocked a jelly slime in such a long time. Here I'm trying to show you like the color shifting glitter that this has in it. However, the lighting was very, very bright this time that I filmed. I have no idea why I didn't change any settings, so it was a little weird. But there are definitely some color shifting glitters in there. It's green to gold color shift. And then there's also iridescent glitters in this as well. And this is lightly scented like frozen margarita, which smells so good. White chocolate melt has been one of my favorite slimes ever since I put it in the shop. I believe I put this in the shop 2 restocks ago. This one slays my life so much. It's so thick and glossy, yet creamy at the same time. It's so good and stretchy as well. Look at how thick that is. I mean, come on. It's scented just like white chocolate, and it also has a white chocolate kind of color to it. This one kind of looks white on camera, but that's just because the lighting is super bright. I have no idea why this time, but I love this one so much. It has definitely become one of my favorites easily. This next one up is called Princess Gummy. I love this one so much because I dedicated this one to my little princess, my niece. We actually just lost her, so it was a big loss for my family, and, you know, we're still kind of getting over it. We all have our ways of grieving, you know, it's different, so this one here I just made to dedicate her because she was my little princess and she will always be my little princess. I love this one so much. It is a gummy slime with a little bit of pink foam beads. They're the larger beads. This one is scented like strawberry rock candy, and I love the little gummy texture. It's a clear slime with some lotion and some scent in it, and it's just really, really nice. Next one up, we have Lucky Charms. This is a half foam that is scented just like the cereal Lucky Charms. It smells super, super good. I love the bubble pops on this one. It is super great and crunchy. It has been a while since I have restocked Milk Bucket, so I went ahead and did that for this restock. This one is super, super cute. It comes with a cow charm that are so adorable. I love these so much. Anyways, Milk Bucket is a lightly scented vanilla slime. It's very thick and glossy. It's basically like a cereal milk type of slime. However, it's super, super white to look like milk, and it smells really nice. The cow charm is a nice touch, and I just think it's super cute. Now, this next one might seem a little weird, but I am obsessed with it. This is greenberry yogurt. I know there's no such thing as green berries, but I was like crazy one day and I was just like, hey, green apples are kind of like the only green berries that exist. Like, I don't think there's any green berries out in this world. So, this is a green apple scented slime. There is a bunch, well, not a bunch, there's a few little scattered large blue foam beads in there just because I thought it would look cute. I am obsessed right now with slimes with like a little bit of foam beads in there, so that is why I did that. This one is really nice textured. It is a glossy slime. It's not super thick, however it's very holdable still, and it has those foam beads for great texture, so it's really good. Sunshine Jelly is definitely one of my favorites in this restock, if not my favorite out of the entire restock. It is a jelly slime. The idea was actually given to me by hibiscus_squish over on Instagram on my slime staff account. So thank you so much for this. I love this idea. So basically this is a yellow jelly slime with a whole bunch of color shifting glitter in there and iridescent glitter. So the color shifting glitter actually shifts from orange to green, which I think is super cool. And I was trying to show you, but again, the lighting is so weird right now in this video. I don't know why. It looks great on camera. However, you can't see like any of the glitters or anything, so it's very, very weird. I don't understand, but this is scented lightly like orange soda, and it's really, really good. I love this one. It kind of reminds me of like breakfast, like orange juice. Another slime making a comeback this week is Glossy Peeps. This one I actually restocked, or I brought it into the shop actually last restock, which was last week. However, I didn't do a restocking video, so this might be the first time that you see it if you didn't purchase from my last restock. This one here is a very thick and glossy slime. I wanted to make sure that this was super, super thick and glossy, so it definitely is, and it is scented like Peeps, the sugar-coated marshmallow candies. I love this so much. It just totally reminds me of like almost like a melted Peep. I love it. This next clip is so pastel, like my heart, really. This is mint cake frosting. This one was also brought into the shop last week for last week's restock. However, again, I didn't do a video, so you probably didn't see it unless you bought it. This one is really nice. It's a very thick and creamy cloud cream slime that is scented just like the name. It's actually really, really nice and mouth-watering. I love it. It's very thick, very creamy, and you can't go wrong with the cloud cream, am I right? Carousel Crunch has not been in the shop for a hot minute, y'all. It's been a long time, but I decided to bring it back and kind of revamp the recipe a little bit. So now it is a blue base slime. It is a very, I wouldn't say thick slime. I mean, the foam beads kind of make it thick. However, the base is very kind of loose, just so that there are a lot of good bubble pops. So it's definitely not like the thickest base. However, this one is scented like blue cotton candy and like pink cotton candy. It smells so good together. I love it so much. All of those large foam beads give it a really nice crunch and texture. I just really love this one. I'm so glad that I revamped it. The last time that I had it stocked, it had like a cream colored base, and I just wasn't feeling it, you know? I feel like that wasn't carnival enough. It wasn't, you know, it wasn't living up to the name. So now it has like a pastel kind of blue base, and I am in love. Alrighty, well that is pretty much it for this restock. I really hope you enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much. You already know this, and I will see you all next time. Bye!